big woman thing. And if my life could have rewind.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I just came off the bus, waiting for another bus, but I'm gonna walk the Dollar Tree down there because I'm going to Church Avenue for some food. I'm in the mood for curry goat and fried chicken. So I'm going to Church Avenue, and yeah, I didn't eat nothing all day. It's now almost 3 o'clock. See the time. All I had was some celery and cucumber juice. So yeah, I'm hungry. So I'm gonna go in the Dollar Tree and see if they have any strawberries, because the one by my house, they don't have strawberries. They always have blueberries, but not strawberries by itself. So yeah, I see they opened a new spot next to the Dollar Tree, like a supermarket. So I'm gonna go check it out before I go to Church Avenue. Pouring out my life, gracefully broken. The deli market is around the corner, so I'm gonna go to Dollar Tree first though, because I need some strawberries. Like I said, and they don't have it. They don't have the dollar one. See, they got blueberries. They always got blueberries. Damn, I get some strawberries. Nowhere. Alright. Alright, so this is where I'm going. It's about the L train, so I'm gonna go in there. It's a deli. It's two places. Oh no, it's apartments. Thank you. This is deli. This is a supermarket. Oh, they got it. Oh, they got these stuff. I don't know what these stuff are. I think they got the new Doritos, so I could try it. Not around this side. Right there. I thought they had something on. I got the new Doritos. I do not have the new Doritos. Oh, they have this one. I tried this one already. I need the Doritos. Oh. They don't have the Doritos. Alright, I'm just gonna go. I'm gonna wait for the bus right there, but I don't know if it's coming yet. Oh yeah, it's down there, it's coming. I just remember I don't have to take the 15 bus because I'm walking to, it don't make no sense for me to go back on the bus. I could just walk down there to 35. It's a couple minutes walk, it's not far. So I'm just gonna do that. I feed you love. I feed it all over the place. You know what you haven't eaten in a while? I'm just so hungry. I want some curry goat so bad. I don't know why am I craving it. Because I don't eat this thing on a regular. I don't eat curry goat on the regular. Like I prefer curry chicken. But it's been a while since I had curry goat, so I guess that's why I'm feeling for it. And I know for a fact that it would taste good from this restaurant because the food tastes good. So I mean, I never had it from there before, but I just have a feeling. I could have go back to the other restaurant, the one by my house, the Ochi restaurant, but I'm like, no. Now you charging me money to put the salad in a container. That's not gonna happen. So yep, I just rather go to Church Avenue where I can get the salad in the food. Calm Sunday, but the cops is out here. NYPD. Why this thing keep messing up? Where's the 35? Oh, it's 3 minutes. It's leaving in 3 minutes and people waiting. What's going on? It's about to rain. That's why the birds is out. How much a card up? I have it. Hold on. The card.
Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg. We gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I split it with the guys. We up on the other side. Niggas acting like we tied. I been gone since like July. Niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide. Cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied. Hey, hey, look who I'm around, man. If I fucked up, I'ma be downtown, man. Full flow down, man. That's if I get caught, man. Push me to the edge, so it really ain't my motherfucking fault, man. I'm not to blame, man.
Just came off the bus, 3:30, and I'm about to get some food because I'm hungry.
I'm gonna go over there and try it. Just came off the bus and I'm waiting for the 15 now. It's 4:10. I can't wait to eat. Oh my god, I have 2 food here. I'm so greedy. People are going low, man. But I'm waiting for the 15 bus because I was gonna eat in the restaurant, but I remember that they was playing music, so it's gonna be, my video is gonna get copyrighted. I don't have time for that. So yeah, me just want to go eat my food here because me hungry, and that is it. That's all that matters. I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna watch the Super Bowl. I don't really watch the Super Bowl. I'm just gonna watch it for Rihanna. I'm about to ask my friend how I'm gonna do it because I gotta see Rihanna perform in how many years, and she ain't performing in how many years. I have to see that. I'm sure y'all. Sorry, the buses. This is how my view is looking. This way I just took the 35 when I was going. Now I'll come back, drop off. There you go, the bus. Where is it? It's coming right there. Right there, right there. I'm going just like this. I don't have no more. I only have 50 cents on my card. So yeah, I was going to train on a bus just like this. I spent so many times already. Just came off the bus and I'm going home to eat my food. So I don't know why men don't get the picture. Like, if you keep calling at me and I'm not looking at you, why you keep calling at me? Like, I'm not looking at you, why you keep trying to get my attention? Like, I don't understand people. You see my headphones in and you still trying to talk to me. See that I'm not interested, you're still trying to talk to me. This is annoying. So this is the fried chicken with the white rice. I should not be eating that, but it's Sunday. This is a curry cold. Look at it. Can y'all see it? Oh, that look good. And then I get some crown water. Oh, this was $13. And the other, see, I had to warm it up. But that's fun. See if it tastes good, cause soft. Oh. It's just soft and nice. So it's hot. The bottom is hot. And some people at the bottom. I'm not gonna eat the rice for that fried chicken. I just want a fried chicken, so I asked my friend how I'm gonna because I wanted to watch the Super Bowl. He told me that he comes on Fox, so he said if I have an antenna. I do have an antenna, but it's like deep down in my closet. I'm gonna have to look for it. I'm gonna have to look for it, or I'm just gonna download the app on my Fire Stick. I think it's on there. I'm not sure. What time is it? Yeah, I think it's on at 6, so hopefully I could be able to watch it. I want to see Rihanna perform. I really do. This shit tastes so freaking good. Let me make When I go to Jamaica, that's all I drink. Crying water. Well, when I go down where I'm from. Whew. Yeah. $13 for a medium. The other place I bought the chicken farm was out of 14. But this was good. I was gonna get fried dumplings, but I'm like, no. No, girl, don't get no dumpling. That's too much. It's so soft. It's just so tender and juicy. It tastes really good. I will eat from there again. I just want the chicken. I know the chicken tastes good because I had it already. I'm gonna leave this for tomorrow. Or the place I bought the curry chicken from, they had they sell the fried chicken on the side for $2, but I didn't know if it was one piece or not. So I'm like, I'm just better off getting it from the other place because it comes with, it's a meal. So $1 more and it's a meal. I regret this. but I'm gonna go back tomorrow. I'm gonna download the oh my god, chicken is so good. Let me show you. Curry goat is not on my top 5. Is that ginger? I'm not trying to buy no ginger. That was a piece of fat. I thought it was ginger. You gotta look for this ginger, man. Cause it's fat. The ginger be looking like the meat. You gotta look for it. It's the worst when you bite it and when you bite into it and you think it's a piece of meat and it's not. That's the worst. I could have cooked this, you know. I could have cooked this, but we're not cooking today. And when you go to the store to buy a goat, there's not enough on there. So it's like they're trying to, they treat you like how they do oxtail. It's not enough. You know what, let me go buy this. Oh my god, it's so good. I love chicken. I love me some chicken. I hope Rihanna comes with some new music. That's all I'm hoping for. I hope she comes with new music. Cause girl, it's been too long. Okay, I'm getting full now. I'm getting full. Okay. I can't figure out what song she won't perform. I'm hoping she comes with new music, and I'm hoping she performs some of her old songs. So. Shirley Ralph just performing. She did that. Okay. The lady sing. The lady just sing. I honestly didn't know she could sing. But she did that. Okay. Now we're just waiting for Rihanna to come on. I had to say my soda off. I was hot. But Shirley Ralph did that. I finally found the I had the app on my Fire Stick the whole time. And I was like, I'm here worrying about, I'm gonna watch this, Would it been on here the whole time? But we're just waiting for Rihanna. So when Rihanna come back, then I'll come back. Let me see how long Rihanna gonna come. It's only just 6:13, so yeah. Rihanna coming up in a few, they say. So we waiting. Waiting again.
I'm acting like I'm at a concert, because baby, this is a concert for us. How long is going to perform?
You just come to the line quickly. They've done that a lot.
This is a concert for us. So I'm gonna scream. I'm gonna stop the music. 14 minutes.
What does he have in store here?
My heart is pumping. I'm waiting to see babe. 14 minutes, they say. What time is it? It's 7:30. 7:29. So, in 14 minutes, Rihanna gonna come with TV. Me excited. Yeah, hurry up. I'm so. It then says from 7:29 they said 14 minutes. It's now 8:20. Again? Come on. Come on, baby. But I saw Rihanna on Twitter. She's in a red. I guess it's a one piece. It looks like a one piece. She looks so.
And I'm ready to see her perform, and they need to hurry up because they're doing too much right now. Like 14 minutes been past. It's a whole hour now.
I'm getting nervous now.
It's the people, I'm nervous. I'm nervous.
I don't know what song she gonna perform. These people keep taking forever. They keep going to breaks and breaks every minute. I wonder if it's because of Riri, because Rihanna be late.
I feel like it's Rihanna's fault. I feel like, cause Rihanna showed when she wants to. That's Rihanna. So remember they had said 14 minutes ago. 14 minutes. It was 7:29, and when they said 14 minutes, she coming up in 14 minutes, right? Maybe she wasn't there yet. Cause one thing about Rihanna, she gonna show up late. That's what she do. She shows up late. So I guess she show up whenever she wants to. So that's probably why it's delayed like that. But then you keep going a break and a break, and then in between the breaks, they keep saying she coming up, but I guess she's still not ready. Like, girl, hurry up. How long you gonna make us wait? Hurry up. I love you, but hurry up, okay? Look. Oh my god. Oh my god.
I'm about to fucking cry. Bitch better have my money. Oh my, is she pregnant? Is she pregnant again? Oh my god, my heart is beating so fast. Like blah blah blah. Louis 13. Oh my god. Kamikaze. You go off the top. Oh my god, my heart is beating. She's pregnant. You look good as hell in red. Get it ready. Hey. Shaking. Oh my god.
Let's talk. Rihanna came on and did her thing. Pregnant and all. The girl is pregnant again. Like what? She's pregnant. Oh my god. That was everything. But they said 29 minutes and that was not 29 minutes of Rihanna performing. But maybe, I mean, she's pregnant, so I guess they didn't know she was pregnant. But that was everything I wanted to see. I wanted more, but she did perform a song that I wanted her to perform. Yep, she did. So I'm grateful to see her again. Rihanna performed, and that's all that matters. I clicked off this friggin' Super Bowl because I don't want to see nothing else. Like, I've been waiting. I'm just excited. Like, what? I was screaming. I'm trying to my best not to put that part in there because I was screaming loud as hell. So yo, everybody my Instagram, Rihanna is pregnant, bitch. She wasted no time. Like, girl, look how she look gorgeous in red. Red is her friggin' color. Her, oh my goodness. Like, you see how she was performing, like bending over? I'm like, girl, you pregnant now. That's why you got pregnant in the first place. You being fresh. But nah, our performance was lit. Like, what? I was on live, and my body, like, my hands was shaking. I don't know why I felt so nervous because she ain't performing so long. And my heart was beating fast, my hands were shaking. At one point my legs were shaking too. She killed it though. I needed that. That little performance, I needed. Okay? I needed it. Like, I know everybody needed it because everybody was waiting for Rihanna. The reason why most people was watching the Super Bowl is because of Rihanna. I.e. me. So, because I don't watch Super Bowl. So, she's performing. Oh, bird watch. Of course, I'm gonna watch it. That's the only time you can get me watch any type of sports is if Rihanna gonna perform or somebody that I like gonna perform. But I never watched any. I honestly never watched the Super Bowl before anybody else performing. So it's Rihanna for me. Okay. But sis was getting it in. At one point she stopped and she fixed her makeup. Like, now I know why she was late. She's pregnant. She's pregnant. Okay, so she won't be late. So everybody was saying this Rihanna day. There was so much negativity going on. I'm not gonna talk about because social media is just too much. So everybody on the comments was like, if y'all going shade room, we don't want to talk about it. Like, oh, it's Rihanna day. Wrap this up before Rihanna perform. But they perform, and that's all that matters. Just make my week. Okay. And then Chris Brown, oh, that was sweet of him. I was gonna post a live because I was just in here vibing to myself. That's what I do. But I deleted the live, and I posted on my page first, and then I deleted it. And then I'm like, let me just put a post because I ain't posting in a minute. But she came back and she did that shit. It's this picture for me. I don't know where I'm gonna put it. Over here, over here. That's the tone of y'all niggas. Yeah, niggas like, I did that. It's her stance for me. She's like, just leave me alone now. Pregnant again. Baby number 2. I'm excited for her. So God bless her union. And wow, I saw something. I forgot. I saw something yesterday on Shade Room. What's her name? Roseanne. Like, Roseanne, what are you doing? Like, girl, get out that man DM. Talking about, oh, when you get tired of Rihanna, call me or some shit like that. She said, like, lady, the nerve of you. Yeah, baby number 2 now. He ain't going nowhere. I wish it was new music though. Like, why she couldn't give us both? Where the music at? What if she drop music? What if she drop? Okay, I'm gonna show y'all the date just in case if it happens. This is the date. This is the time. All right, so I was saying, what if she dropped new music on her birthday? Oh my God. I am speaking this into existence. I want it to happen so bad. But then again, if that was the case, she would give us a snip tonight, right? I don't know, because she just full of surprises, just different. So she do stuff different her way. So maybe not. Either way, girl, just give us some music. Sometime this year, please. We need it. I was in here going, listen, when she came on that TV, I screamed. I'm probably gonna put it in here. Probably not, because probably gonna hurt y'all ears. But I was screaming. I didn't see her performing. We didn't see her performing how long? Of course we go. What was her last performance? I'm about to Google it right now. Like, seriously, I don't even remember. Oh, it's 2018 Grammys with DJ Khaled and Bryson Tiller. That was a Wild Thoughts. Oh, that's the last thing she performed. I'm talking about her song, but okay. I mean, that's what her song was.
Y'all know Rihanna not giving us no new music, right? I know y'all saw that bump, bump, bump. And if you didn't see the bump, 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 halfway through her performance, she stopped singing and pulled out her Fenty face powder to remind you niggas, baby, they not paying me for this. I'm not really getting a real check for this. Let me remind y'all what my real job is.
They didn't pay her for that?
That is selling lingerie, okay? So go ahead and log on to Fenty.com, because that's where you can find.
Oh yeah, it's her promotion for me. I did say that in the video. I didn't. She did. She did. She's a true businesswoman. She came to do her thing and she promoted her business at the same time. I don't blame you, girl. Do what you gotta do. That was Jesse. That was Jesse Woo. This boy be in my DM said I'm pretty. This boy be in my DM said I'm pretty. I'm excited for her. I love that for her. I don't know. Maybe she don't want to get married because people have to judge. A lot of people do it. Let people do what they want with their body. If they want to get pregnant, if they want to get married, they want to get married. It is what it is. People love to say, "Oh, yeah, she on her second baby now. She don't got a ring." It's people out there that don't want to get married. What they did to Kiki Palmer the other day. Like, shut up. Let people do what they want to do. It's their life. I have one life to live. You can't be pleasing people out here. Do what you gotta do. It's your life. Whatever that makes you happy. If it makes you happy, do what you gotta do. It's a difference if it don't make you happy. It's a difference. I'm just saying. Everybody trying to see if Rihanna pregnant. This was me. This was me. That was me. Cause I'm like, girl came through with a surprise. Like, hey, y'all want new music? This is what y'all gonna get. It's a look for me. Her look is like, yeah, that look was like, I got something for y'all niggas. Watch this. I just love her performance, and I don't know what else to say. I'm just proud of her, and I love her so much. And if I meet her again, I will not be shy. And yeah, that's bae. That is bae, okay? So don't talk no shit about her. Else y'all gonna hear my mouth. That's my wife. Who don't know that? Yeah, Rita is like the only celebrity that I'm like, yeah, that's my bitch. That's my favorite person favorite entertainer. Female. That's my girl. I love her. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.